Hello guys, my name is Vexapi and welcome to another tutorial. Okay, so in my previous video I taught you guys how to hide some apps in your Android device without downloading any other app. And in this video too, I'm going to show you how to hide some files, like maybe a picture you're having on your phone or a video, an audio, anything at all that you want to hide from others. Okay, maybe you're giving your phone to your friend to use, you don't want your friend to see something like that on their phone. This is what you're going to do. Okay, if you're using an Android, make sure you go to your apps. Okay, so let's look for files. This should be very simple. Let's go to files. Okay, now when you come here, you are going to see this place. They said save folder. You can see that, and you've always been seeing it, but I don't know what it is for. Press the save folder. Okay, you can see it said all files in save folder are protected by a lock. If you forget this lock, it can't be recovered. So please guys, choose your lock very well. You can either choose pin or pattern. So for me, I'm going to choose my pin, which is 1 2 3 4. So 1 2 3 4. Press next. They'll ask you to confirm the pin again. 1 2 3 4. Okay, now you are done. You say what? Remember your pin, because if the save folder can't be opened again if you forget the pin. So got it. All right, so move any files you want to keep protected by a lock to this folder. Okay, so let's go back now. Let's go to my videos. Maybe I want to give this phone to one of my sister's children to use, but I don't want them to delete something from it. So like this video I made right now, the tutorial I made right now, I can decide to select it here, go to this 3 dots here, okay, and then you go to move to save folder, and I can see they said confirm the pin to move that file to the save folder. So I'll type my pin 1 2 3 4 and go to next. So now you can see that they are moving that file. Okay, you can see moving one file, so they've moved the file to the save folder. You can see it's no more showing here. It is no more showing among the videos here. Okay, so we can go back. Let's go to the save folder here, press it, and you guys, they say you should enter your pin to open your save folder. So 1 2 3 4. Next. And guys, you can see the video that I put here is still there. Okay, it's here, so nobody can see it apart from me. Do you understand?
Hello guys,
this is a tutorial that I made, and I'll post it too. So you can go back, and then it's closed again. And to even make it more secure, you see these 3 dots here above the save folder. I can press it, and then you press hide save folder. So you can see that if you give your phone to your friend, they can't even see that there's something called save folder here. Okay, but if you want to use it back, just come back, press these 3 dots, and then you press show save folder. It will show. Then if you want to open it, you press it, you type your pin again, and then it's opened. So guys, that's it. Very simple. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, kindly press the subscribe button, like this video, share, and comment if it worked for you. Also comment the type of video that you want me to create for you, okay, and I'll do that for you. Thank you very much. Bye.